Hello and welcome back to this lovely sunny morning here at Anchor Vans in Padworth. Today I have for you the 2021 Peugeot Partner in a lovely grey colour. I'll just take you around the vehicle now. This is a short wheelbase, low roof model as well, with around 33,000 miles on the clock as well. I will just pop into the passenger side of the cab. As you can see inside, we do of course have 3 seats. Coming into the cargo space in the back, this does come with rings on the floor to strap down any load you may be carrying. And also, while I come into the back here as well, you may be able to observe that there are minimal scratches and damage to the bulkhead in front, suggesting that the last person who used this only used it with light loads. Now, if I just pop round into the driver's seat, I will show you some of the conveniences. Okay, so immediately stepping into the vehicle, if I did just start the engine, we do have cruise control, hands-free cooling, telephone, which also means it comes with Bluetooth, air conditioning. This is a 5-geared van. It also comes with satellite navigation and digital audio broadcasting as well.